Hey everybody, this is your buddy Paladin and Hawthorne, and I'm here with another Amazon Prime unboxing. This shit from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. It was already ripped open, so I'm just gonna rip it. Rip it! As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other tons and tons and tons of videos. First up, so I work in a very wet, cold climate, and my hands get really, really dry. So this was recommended OKeefes Working Hands Hand Cream. Guaranteed relief. Definitely, I actually got an infection in one of my fingers. It was really rough. I had to get an antibiotic. Hard times, Daddy. Hard times. So, what do you guys think? What's your favorite medical stuff? We've got vitamin C in packet form from Emergen-C. 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily immune support. 60 packets. This is the super orange flavor. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of these products, by the way. I'm trying to stay healthy. I hope you guys stay healthy and get through this coronavirus pandemic. And last but not least, if you notice, I have a beard. So I've got Decorum Reboot Mint Beard Oil. This is usually what I use. I enjoy it. I enjoy the smell. It was recommended. I'm going to throw my box on the floor so my kitty can play with it. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at Lennon Hawthorne. Just hit the share button, the notification bell. Find some other of my thousands of videos to watch, and let me know what you guys think of the products. I'll comment back to everybody. I wish you the best. Have a great day.